we signed, so she knew it was happening. But so far we haven't had anything from her. What we know is that the family of Arkady Babchenko have been provided with 24/7 security. 24/7 security, so I don't think we will hear from her anytime soon.
Okay, Anastasia Gribanova in Kiev for us. Thank you very much. The headlines now on BBC Newsroom Live at 18 minutes past 11. New proposals from the financial watchdog are being put forward to curb excessive credit interest charges. NHS...
It also impacts on how people see the culture of a political party and the way it responds. And I would suggest for the Conservative Party there probably is a particular issue here in that they have long struggled to attract voters from ethnic